Configuring and using PTZ enhancements helps clients recognize, react to, and investigate incidents effectively. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to set up manual PTZ patrolling in the Smart Client. On the camera toolbar for the East PTZ, click the PTZ icon to open the PTZ menu. Click Daylight Patrol. While the patrolling profile is running, there's a check mark in front of it for all users. The PTZ icon turns green for you and red for all other users, so they can see that someone controls the camera. To stop the patrol, just select the profile again. You just saw how to set up manual PTZ patrolling in the Smart Client. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.